Dadang, Babang, good morning, Babang. Good morning, Babang. Aray ko. Tudang. Dadang. Hi, Sir Craig. Hello. Hey, Dadang. Dadang, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Dadang.
When God wants to make you successful.
Thank you. 2 million in the house. Hi, Sir Craig. Hello. Thank you so much for 5 people for watching. Ah. Babang mo, babang, babang. Say hi. Flying kiss. Si Babang. Hi, thank you for 8 million in the house. Thank you, 3 million in the house. Hi, thank you so much. Oh, my love, my darling, I love you. Thank you, 13 million. 17 people. Thank you for all your likes. Thank you. Hello, Sabater. What it means. Thank you for joining. Hi, Gohari. Hey, Gohari. Hello. Hi, Hanessa. Hello, Hanessa. Good morning. Lola? Nana? So, Lola? Nagmahaw ka na? Nag-almusal ka na? Ang kanina. Ang sumuwa. Sumuwa. Ha? Hmm? Papa na na. No, 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 no. Mwah. Papa Chan? Sino yun ho? Ha? How is your morning? The morning is good morning. Happy morning. Happy morning. Vanessa. Where are you from, Vanessa? Ano? Nya nya. One letter Indian dang letter dang kili dang dang da da. I get jealous when you kiss your son. This is the son. She's my niece. Where are you from, Guari? Where are you from? Cha-cha-cha-cha-cham. That, di-di-di-da-da, that, chirang, chiri-di-di-da-dang, tigi-dang. Thank you for hit the likes. Thank you so much. Jukulubo, jukulubo, bong, la, 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 jukulubo, oh my God! Kiss mo, wawa. Kiss mo, wawa. Kiss mo, wawa. From Egypt, sorry, I remember now. I think you joined me yesterday or before. Hi, Jess. Oh, thank you. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day to all your loved ones, your mother, sisters, friends, something like that. So cute. I'm 41. 41. Timothy Smith. Sandra Demeteruva. Hi. Commerce Germanian. Hi, Ralph Passler from Germany. Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much. Oh. Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much for the support. Namaste, Idol Gandara. Hi, Lolo Ray. Thank you. Namaste. 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 Iba yung namaste sa amin. Good morning, Ruben. Good morning. Namaste from India. Okay. Thank you for joining from India. God bless. Thank you to do someone who hit the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much. Thank you. What part of the Philippines are you from? I'm from Bicol province, Philippines. Bicol. Just tell me where it's, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Bicol, where? Bicol, where? Sorsogon. I am going to visit Philippines soon, hopefully. Really? Where are you from, Sir Philip? Where are you from? Welcome to the Philippines. Enjoy your trip going here. Are you visiting your jowa, Sir Philip? Not Buhi, Sorsogon. You expect her to give your exact location. Ah, United Kingdom. Wala di diyan ano to dito
Sa kotse ay sa mga. Ako na ba kasama ko?
Oh, ayun na.
Kaya ko.
Sige daw. Para mo?
Yup!
Paano?
Tama mo.
Ano na naman ang kailangan mo? No, on my own. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you? Hi, guys. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. How about you guys? Hi, guys. From Jess. Hi, Sir Pa. Look out, Cheryl is live. Hold on to your hat. She's a silly lady. Don't give a silly girl. You rock. Thank you, Mr. Pat. Thank you, Sir Pat. I'm fine, thank you. Jess from Sir Gas. Sure, how many kids you had? One kid. I have one kid. Mr. P from Sir Jeff. Rocker. Happy Mother's Day, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Gas. Thank you, Sir Gas. Thank you so much. GS. Hi, Jess. Are you married? I'm not yet married, but I'm getting married soon. I'm engaged. Thank you, 23 people in the house. Thank you so much. Can I marry you? I love your heart. No, I'm already gone. I'm already taken. I'm taken. I'm not available. Yes, from Sir Pat. Paano mo naabre yan?
Ito yan, Ben.
Ah.
Ariga ka, mama. Karabida.
Dirog sa nabado mo. Magliwang kasing bado mo. Magsando ka.
Ha? Yup.
Boom, reject. Boom. Something like that. I'm sorry, I'm not a kwan. I'm just kwan. Because I'm taken, so it's really kwan. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Bye bye. I will drop to Sogo na lang to get one. Okay, bye. Good luck. Thank you for joining, Lolo. Okay. Sorry. Maybe you will get better than me. I love so many lots of beautiful women around the world. Something like that. Will you move to Los Angeles with me? No. Oh my God. America's Most Wanted. I'm not available, my goodness. I'm engaged. Huh? Oh. Good morning, Jesus Joel. Let everyone, my bedtime here was fun as always. Thank you, Sir, Sir Pat. Where are you, Sir Pat? Anonymous, hello. Boko kayo dyan. Coconut. Hello, sister. Hi. Hello. Where are you from? Anonymous. Boom, boom. This is on a roll. Oh my God. UK. United Kingdom. Wow. Beautiful place. Anonymous from America. Wow. Beautiful place. United Kingdom and America. I like that place. United Kingdom, what do you call this? Beautiful Tulina. Beautiful Filipino, more beautiful than American girls. But I think American girls, they are so much pretty, so pretty. GS catch up some fella. Anonymous. Aray ko. And let the ano pala, London, United Kingdom is the London. Wow, beautiful place. London. Yes. Mr. P. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be around. Yes. Mr. P, are you married, Sir Pat? London is where I just went, and then yes. Oh my God, too lucky. Beautiful. Ma'am Sia, your Filipina Jua, Aiza is working in London. Outside of London. Ah, okay. Outside of London. Oh, can't you say it, baby? You get me going crazy. What if I be sorry, excuse me. We spent a couple days in London seeing the site before going to her place. Oh wow, where are you from? Where are you now, Jess? Where are you now? Uh, I think you, Isa, and you are LDR, so maybe you're living in another place or America, and Isa are working in London, something like that. It's me, Belle, Rangel. Hi. USA. Wow. See my Mike. Mike also living in US. So that's great. Thank you, Jess. Oh my God, we have lots of here having a Filipina Kwan. Uh, what we call this? Pinoy Filipina corner jowa. American, Filipina American couple, something like that. Yeah, he's not too far from me. Yes, that's why you can visiting here, uh, something like that. Gula, when you getting married, Isa, you and Isa, are you already married or planning to, ano, getting married? Ano, and Kuan. Planning to next trip. Wow, that's great. Oh my God, congrats to you. I'm happy both of you guys having a successful couple, like Filipina to a foreigner, successful couple. So getting happy couple. No more issue. Oh my God. No, kuan. Ahmed, wait you there. Why you say that? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here. Thank you to those someone who hit the like. Thank you for 17 likes. Wait, kailangan ko pa yan. You see, you coming to USA or is Mike just coming there? Mike, the plan, Mike, come back here soon. Then we're going there for vacation. I staying there and going to vacation, going there, something like that. We're planning to visit there in America and planning to marry there, getting married there. The wedding here and wedding there, over there. Ouch. See it. Nice. Yes, because for the like the for the legal married here in the Philippines and legal uh, marriage there in America. So that's and so nice and so good, and I like that. No more worries. When getting married, when you married, no more worries. Something like if someone go on your partner because you married, you stuck each other. Something like you stuck each other. Oh, can't you see it, baby? Yes, I like getting stuck to Isaiah's. Ah, yes, go. Me too. Hope you invite us, JS. Invite you, invite me, we hope you were invited. When when you plan to marry. I think that's a good thing to marry with someone you love, something like that. The best thing. Hope you invite me. Oh, of course, my God. Please, hope you come. Hope you invite. I can't you see it, baby? Thank you so much for joining. 7 people in the house, 21 likes. Love the funny shorts you've been doing this. Yes, when I see it on TikTok and I do it, I lip sync, then I post it here, and I like that. It's so funny. My God, me too. I laugh a lot when I see that. Oh my God. So, then I said, oh my God, maybe I do this too. So then I told myself, oh my God. That video is so funny, my God, when I lip sync. I said that on TikTok, so you get. Because I'm always there on TikTok, so that's when I miss called. Oh my God, then I do it. It's good. The English, because my English is poor. Something I relate. Relatable, relatable content about the grammar, the English, because the English is not good. My speak in English is not good. You look like someone who is called to type to. Make Rizal. Thank you, Make Rizal. Oh, why you come back, Lolo Ray? I'm back in invite you at the maybe you need to look around, Lolo Ray. You need to find a single and ready to mingle. That's good when I'm looking at the on TikTok and I say, oh my God, it's so funny. And I like that. And I do that. Oh my God, when I say myself, oh my goodness. Oh wow, beautiful picture. To Lola sila? Oh wow, beautiful. I see myself as a devourer of content. Wow, what a deep words. Make Rizal. What means the devourer? Wait, devourer. I'm not good in English, and that's why I need to Google. I need to Google because I'm not good in English. My English is poor. You know the topic and the way the world works and how it wiggled. It's okay, I will tell you, okay? Ah, devourer. Now I know the devourer. Ah, face lovely sure is it's good to see always without the mirror. Without so rigid, it's like the world is set up to work and be easy for some, not all. Okay, thank you for explaining. Make Rizal. Make Rizal. Can't you see it, baby? But that's for another day. As I said, I will start simple. Okay, thank you. Make Rizal. He means he's a conspiracy terrorist. Okay. Conspiracy terrorist. Terrorist. Oh my God, terrorist. Terrorist. Oh my God, the word is one. Yes. Nano yan? Kuhaan na. Conspiracy theorist. Wow. I need to learn more English because oh my God. Sorry, my English is not good. Hope you understand me, guys. I'm from US and have time and energy to spend time on these topics. How is your day? My day is good day. Just a good vibes. Just Raka, are you dizzying me? Yes. Okay, wait.
Oh my God. Nani yun? Ay, ade. Ayaw yan di paguyod yan. Ay, ade. Ade. Meron yung pakijabang kayo.
Dizzy me, maybe. My God. I need to learn more English. Thank you so much. 22 likes. Thank you so much for. How can you say it, baby? You can. I love that. My day is good too. I am working on this. I need and taking a day of work. Make result. Where are you? Where you stayed in USA, make result. Get rocker. From Sir Fred. Good morning, Sir Fred. Hi, good morning, Sir Fred. So your English is good and it's not as bad as you think. Thank you, Macrosel. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I am in the middle of America. Where? I don't know where's the middle in America. Where state you live? Colorado, wow. Colorado. Nice to meet you, Macrosel from Colorado, USA. Para Sarah, love. Good morning, Gary, Indonesia. Hi, father. Thank you, father. Father. Hey, it's my favorite basher, bully, hater, and troll. What's up, friend? That's my favorite basher, bully, hater, and troll. Thank you, Jess. The bully man here. Huh? Tao. That Bini. Thanks for the compliment. The compliment. Mapakaring ka mo? Ah, wow. Duty. That's in Northern American, bro. You forgot Raka is common trunka and dragon.
Why is that?
Sir Fred, my God. Yeah, Colorado has lots of mountains and hiking. People do bowling on scare rivers. We call it rafting, and also there is clean lots of coffee shops and people who think they know it all like rocker. Mm. Marco the Bomb. Hi, Marco the Bomb. Oh yeah, thanks for reminding me. Oh my gulay. Love. Can't you see it, baby? Rocker, you know it all. How's life where you are? Life here is good and life is good and weather is good. Happy and in love. Something like that. Wow, lots of people like me. Now that's a cool place. I get it. How is this heritage? Heritage here is beautiful like me. Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Sure, your kid is so happy with all the shopping yesterday. Yes, so happy. So happy. And he kissed me, my God. I told him, God, Mike said you need to kiss me. Then he kissed. I'm so happy yesterday. So happy. I know most of I wouldn't see learning new stuff every day. Your nature of being here, life here in Bicol is like a farming, and that's why nature here is beautiful. I love nature. I'm a nature lover, coffee lover, music lover, something like that. Make Rosal. Yeah, beautiful like you. About time you admit it. Are you laughing at me? No, I'm no Microsoft. No, I'm saying that heritage here is beautiful like me. That's why I lie. I laugh because something like that. No, I'm not laughing you. No, no, we're not laughing at you. We're laughing with you. Mercado ba? I love nature too. What kind of music do you like to listen? I will search on YouTube music. I like classic music, something like that. Any music I like. Any music. It depends on the mood. It depends on my mood as I'm playing the music. I guess he can't understand why you're laughing, Cheryl. I something like that. We're not laughing, you make yourself. We're laughing. Diin mo yung butang. Something like yes, make yourself don't be, you misunderstand why I laugh. Oh my God, you're so beautiful, my baby. Say hi ka. Hi, Sir Fred, Uncle Fred. Uncle Fred, and then Sir J.S. Rucker. Say hi. Meg Rizal. Good morning. Nag-breakfast ka na? Anong breakfast mo? You have feathers? Hello. Is it okay? I think no offense. Okay, Microsoft. Thank you, Microsoft, for being understand the ball. Charot. Hello from Sir Fred. Hi there. It's afternoon here. Okay.
Sa DE. Ha? Ano ko na lang yung nakakuha? Bayada ko lang ipagpaano sa DE ko sa aga. Kung makuha ko.
Panggastos mo na yun.
Kay bangga.
I never razzle feathers. Ruffle maybe, but never razzle. Never razzle. She making funny faces. Oh my God. Very noisy there, yes. Noisy here because Cheryl Renato Luis. Cheryl last few short you made were funny. Thank you. Yeah. Me too. Oh my god. It's so funny. May gulay. She making funny faces. My God. Where are you from, Cheryl? That's your name, yeah? Yes, my name is Cheryl and I am living here in the Bicol province, Philippines. Mecozell. Sorry, very noisy here. Rob Rai, very noisy. That's what I told her friend, loving them. Yeah. Hello, happy Mother's Day. Thank you, Danny Gantos. Happy Mother's Day to your wife, your sister, your mother, your relatives, to all the mothers there. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers in the world. Raka, her shorts were about a 39 person. Come visit me here in US. Why should I visit you? Maybe you would give me a plan. $2 million for our marriage. Yeah, that's what makes them so funny. Arthur Sentinent, hi. You celebrate Mother's Day is every day because Mother's Day hard work every day. Yes, but yesterday celebrate having the special day for all the mothers. Yes, every day is for the Mother's Day, but yesterday a special day for all the mothers here or maybe around the world. So giving that special like time for them, and they deserve it. And I received the gift from the loved ones and for the kids for my son, so so much happy. Still Mother's Day here. Yes, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers around the world. Nice, that's awesome. Did why all through a party or what? Just not a party, but just giving a time to celebrate the Mother's Day, like giving their gifts, uh, something like that. Having a time, something like. Wow na, ikis? Ikis wawa? What?
Daddy Mike.
Si Daddy Mike? Tulog pa. Sleeping Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike is still sleeping. Rest Daddy Mike. That's a lovely. A day off. Not a day off. I, yesterday, yes, a day off to all. I mean, yeah, all mothers deserve a day off, and then they make them treat them something like that. We call it day off over here. It terms, yeah, the words and terms are so different and can be complex. Yeah, okay. Something like that. Yeah, something like that. So, wala naman sa akin. Conflict means hard to understand. Okay. Thank you for explaining me, Grizel. Makadubang. The long path. Hi, pretty. Hi, the long path.
Tudang. Hindi ko na kakagtudang.
No humans planning. Humans planning.
Aba.
Wes. Wow. If I talk to you in my own original way, it would throw everyone on this page in a headspin. So I am keeping it simple. Oh, thank you so much, Mick Rizal. I'm just a simple, so maybe I really understand that you speak simple, okay? No need to no need to, I don't know what to call this. No need to be, oh my god, something like that. Hi, Robert. Are you barefoot? Do you have people? I have people. My people is on my bio. If you want to send the gifts, I really appreciate it, Renato. Maybe he trying to see he is an amazing or smart Cheryl.
Hi na.
Oh wow.
Hi na. Aba, hi na.
Ah.
Hi na. Hi ako.
Yara Keva old Tamils. Maybe trying to see, okay. He's not using his big words, so using dumb talks can understand. Oh my god. Yara Keva. Thank you so much, Renato. My people is on my body. Thank you so much for joining everyone here. Hello. Do you see the way they interact? They interact. Microsoft, they also living in the US, so they are English people. Zinvesate. Oh my god. Microsoft. Oh my god, what a beautiful picture, Babang. Sino to? Papay. It's a beautiful talk. Ah, Versate is talk. Oh my god. My gulay. Just, it's a talk version versatile. Yeah, sorry, I misspelled that. It is conversate. Oh, okay, conversate. My pronunciation is right. You mean conversate? Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god, my pronunciation. Make yourself my pronunciation is right because oh my.
Kaya ko.
Ang kaya ko. Hindi kaya? Bubutang yun didi sa ano, sa piklat, sa diha. Nawara na sulod. Nawara na, di na nagluluwas, di na kaya. Wala na sulod. No, sulod. Di kaya. Having trouble with his big words. Oh my god, yeah. how to pronounce conversate? Yeah, it's almost there, but it means how to talk to each other instead of just saying how to talk. Okay, conversate. Conversate because from the conversation, that's why conversate. That word was not big record. How to talk, how to talk each other, how to talking, conversate. Yes, exactly. My gulay, way to conversate. How to talk each other, how to each other talk, how to each other talk, conversate. Right. Conversate, 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 conversate. Oh my God! Like the word the bed sheet. Charles, is he impressing you with the words? I remember when at the hotel, I changed the bed sheets. I really is the housekeeping there laugh because the way how I pronounce the bed sheet something what the bed sheet 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 something like that. Remember your English is no good. Yeah, I know. I remember the bed sheet, sheet, sheet. What? Ah. He sure is impressing. So work with people that speak good English. I remember the bed sheet. Shit, not shit. Think mine is starting to spin. And so I remember, oh my God, that's why it's really difficult for me to pronounce like the video, video, perfect people, something like that. My gulay, the bed sheet, shit. Ha? Kahapon?
Ako po, nalimutan ko na yun.
Ayan, sabi ko sunod daw na, kuhamon tayo dito. May ano, oh my God! Oh my God, what is this? 175? Oh my God, look. Oh, ano? Dua ka bisis pag-abot, mayroon na ako sa dito.
Kapag-kaparcel mo?
Ay, pera?
190
195?
Oh.
Keep that change. Keep that change some 5 pesos. I think you know how to pronounce this all. It like Hi Carlos Navarro. How I hope you're trying to say she should work with you to learn English, Grizel. It's Mac Grizel Jeriker. Mac Grizel. Are those bed sheets? Yes. Are those bed sheets? Yes, are those bed sheets? Oh, can't you say it, baby? Not, it's just Jura. Ay, ano na, Ethan? Wara na? Wara na. Wait. Ayaw sa di kay kaipungan ko ya di bobang. Kayo po ang wawa. Ha?
Ha?
Opo. There, hey, Amen. Another gift from someone, Cheryl. Another gift?
Dada!
No, this is a parcel. I bought on, I bought online. This I bought online. That's why I pay for my nephew because yesterday came here, so not here, so he paid me, so that's why I pay him back. That's I bought this online, so like Shopee, but I bought this on TikTok because soon I want to like what you call this affiliate on TikTok, so it helps me to earn money, so I can help Mike to supporting me. So that's why for our future. Ah, that's good. Beautiful, Sir Fred. Look, oh my God, having a pods na buy one, this is free. No need to wear the bra because here is have a padding, so this is good. Yeah, beautiful. Look. This is good for everyday here at home because one, you can always try them on while we hear Cheryl. No, a mic will get mad at me. My God. Lol, you plan on marrying someone, you're throwing hands out there on Fred's my get up. Yeah, I'm engaged, Microsoft. So, getting married soon, something like that. That's nice piece of an outfit. Thank you, Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle. No, it's just JS Rocker. Oh my God. Guess this big smart brain has a cinder on the ring on your finger. Yes, I didn't mean to say that. I hope I didn't insult you. No worries. I'm not like that. No worries. People insult me even they don't know me. So I understand that people like having people like that because some people easy to insulting you. Say they're easy to see bad with even they don't. Oh yeah, but no because not good for them. Oh my God. Ay, okay. Dili, isa sa siki lang. They're easy to insulting you, they're giving you a bad opinion even they don't know you. So some people like that. So I don't care because you don't know me. I'm not crazy. You don't know me. So your opinion is opinion. But if I answer you the negative about me, hope you understand. And I thank you. Charot. Pwede bang no, hindi na pwede akong mahalin because hindi ako single. I'm not single. I love you, babe. Yeah, it doesn't mean I got a small brain like Rocker is trying to say, right? P brain. Oh my God. Oh my God. Calm. Calm down, guys. We can go there, Jericho. From Macrizal. Macrizal. Ay, ayaw dun sa itsura, sa siki lang.
No.
Dapat imbubutang sa samad para diri na magpiklat, hindi imbubutang mo sa samad. Hindi ho para mag-ayad. Macrizal, I know the perfect channel for you to watch. Great conversation can be.
Hala, I get to.
Upo. Ito kay Nungnung, kato na kay Tito Nungnung, dali. Great conversation can be had there. Please search Kitchikem. Oh my god. Yeah. She's so very good in English. So perfect in English. He would fall in love, Rocker. Oh my god. What is Kitchikem? Kitchikem is so good in English. Why are you laughing, Michael? Because she's good in English conversation and you will understand her a lot in English. Because her grammar is so good. She speaks so well. She speaks like her pronunciation is so very perfect in English, something like that. Oh yeah, she's the best at English. Yes, she's the best in English. Her grammar is so beautiful, so perfect. Her pronunciation is even the F and the S and so perfect. Hi, stop it. Why should I stop? She is, yeah. Oh my god. The perfect girl, yes, the perfect girl. When you look at her, so perfect. The way she talk, her English is, oh my god. You will love it. Is she for real? Yeah, she's a real person. Oh my god, yeah. She's saying, you know what? She laughing at me because my English is so poor. And she says she's English is best. That's why she said I need to learn grammar in English. And I she felt ashamed because a lot of a Filipina speak English so well. So that's why she, she said she speak English in a good grammar and speak in English best English. So that's why she speak English so well. That's why I will note that, but if you're making jokes, you will hear about it from me. I will note that, but if you're making, no, not a joke. That's not a joke. That's not a joke. Macrizell, that's not a joke. You got a rooster in your house? Yes, rooster from here. That's not a joke, Macrizell. I'm saying you know what? She's laughing at me because my English is not good. He gets okay. You know her? Do you know her? Maybe she's your friend? You have any tattoos result? Maybe here and Prizzle can talk messenger or WhatsApp. Yes, maybe I don't know. I think I don't know. That's why you came here to teach me how to good in English, make result. Sure, even if you joke, you won't hear nothing from me. Yeah. Pa-shoutout po oh my God. Alam mo ba, Sashi, kung magaganyan ka lang, naiinis ako sa ganyan. Papansin ka. Alam mo ba yun? Sachi. Kulang sa attention. But Cheryl, don't lie. I'm not lie. He's scared to put picture record. Yawa ka din. Lorena Miano, yawa ka din. Yawa to you. Thank you so much. His brain's so big it won't fit it in the picture. Yes. Aray ko. Lol, what? What? I see someone. You know what, Macrosel? I blocked someone here because he's someone saying bad to me and our words. So Bisaya words. I'm not Bisaya, but I know that word. So I don't allow people here talking to me like that. So that's why the strangers talking to me like that. So I don't like stress. So something like that. Racker and Fred are funny. I like them. Oh really? Yeah, they're so cool. You both you guys. They're also American. Macrosel, Jazz, Sir Fred, uh, are American. So it's cool. Yeah. No, I'm not no, I am not. I am Mexican. I thought you're American. You said before you're American. You're a Mexican? So you tell a lie. No, I live in America and I am Mexican. Oh, okay. He's one of them illegals hiding in Colorado. Oh my god. Huh? What? Get him, Mr. President. Oh my gulay. Yep. Huh? Oh my god, someone preparing me food. I'm so special. Thank you so much. Salamat. These guys are so funny. Yeah, that's I told you they're so cool. They're cool. You're living in America, that's why you know. Oh my god, Makisel, I thought you were an American. Come America, why should I come there? BG, I will come there next year. But not to meet you, just a vacation with my special someone. Sure, Mexican sneak into America to have a better life, but illegally. Huh? I am studying America and all its manipulative, manipulative way, that's all. Are you a student there, America? How old are you, Mac Rizal? To visit me. How I visit you? I don't know. I don't know you. So 34. Why would she visit you? America. Ano na yun? Mauunas yun. Dito mo na lang ibutang mo. Oh, he's...
Puchit. 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 Tidak pangayan di dia. Udah. Yes. Oh, betul. Nama bos. Banyak naman.
Bomb rejection. 3 and crowd goes wild. Oh my god. This tracker is being a bully. I told you they are a bully man. Also Sir Fred, they're a bully. I thought you're living in America, that's why you know. Do you need a safe space, Rizal? Oh my god. Get it right. I'm the bully man, not tracker. Oh my god. Ah, yes. The bully man is Sir Fred, not tracker. Something like that. Oh my god. Just being a bully man. Oh my god. So 34. Ah, you're 34 years old. Why would you? So, no safe space needed, my friend. How old are you? Me? I'm 41 years old. Mademoiselle. Fred. Okay, yeah, you age well. Thank you, Mademoiselle. Thank you so much. Your age is good. 34 years old. When I'm 34 years old, I'm just an innocent. So easy to hurt me. If someone bullied me, I cried. Someone, I'm like someone saying negative for me, I very cried. So that's why I'm too weak. Most here on social media, but if it goes by when I'm going there on social media and I explore and go meet a lot of people. So it's learn how to go on, to adjust. And maybe you are something like that. I look like an old man. Why? Because you study too much, you're thinking too much. It makes you old. He's a confused Mexican. Wow, Rocker first he says you bully, now your friend. Oh my god. All that Huaquid in Colorado, I guess. No, I've been around bullies my entire life. I did it make them I feel good. Yeah. If that's what people need, they can have it. I don't need to be the same. These are the things I study. That's good. I like your minds. I like your mindset, Marcus. Bully expert. I don't fall into it or will fall. You stay away from or get sack into it. So anyway, aside from all that, what are your chicken up to? Chicken? Chicken up to? What? Did you practice your scooter yesterday, Cheryl? No.
Kasi,
Tired just Nana. And now he pretend to be
wala
smart.
man ang data motor.
Ah, ayan. Mano ka?
Ato sa taas, dadarahan ko pa ng pugay kay bulag ano.
Yeah, right. And now he... Oh, shit. Today, laundry day. Oceans apart, day up to day. And that's when we go. How he know about your chickens if it's his first time there? Here. Yeah, maybe I own some chickens, but they all died. Oh, huh? I don't have own chicken. The chicken is not mine. That's my from the neighbor. So that's why my dog eat the. Oh my God! Are you sure, Mademoiselle? Are you okay? Crizzle eat them.
Ano, sarod na. Sige.
Crizzle eat them. May gulay. Yes, our red nose pitbull was mean and bored. Our red nose. Oh my God. I think he's Crystal needs a pitbull because he gets bullied too much. Oh my god. Yes, dogs always eating chicken in Mexico. Ah, really? You ever been to Mexico? Yes, never been. I never been going to other countries. Yeah, never been. She don't want to meet drug cartels and drugs. Oh my god. Human traffickers, murders, human traffickers and kidnapping and oh my gosh. Oh, huh? Oh my god. Oh my gulay. She too short, her legs are short, so can't. Grabe naman, so they will catch her. Oh my god. And then seal here, huh? Seal here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm scared na. Although damn, this stuff is not a joking matter. Your hair is pretty. Oh, really pretty. Thank you. Apprehend. Apprehend. Use your big words, Fred. Apprehend. And no one joking. Do you have highlights in your hair? Yes, have highlights. Having a highlight. It's true what we said about Mexico. We're very pretty here. Thank you. About you all some funny dudes, man. Oh my god. Can't you say it, baby? Uh, what do you hear about Mexico, Cheryl? Besides what these Americans tell you? I don't know. I'm not. Uh, what do you call this? Mexico about. That's why I just know the name of the country of Mexico. That's all. But maybe you can tell. She don't care about. She don't care about Mika. You're enjoying America. Though are not you? Oh my god. Sabay ka. Lol dama. Wait lah. Did my body to your short video? Okay, you can write Ahmed. Anyone can write comment on my shorts video, even my video live, something like that. It's fine. Hey, Dilasarna. Hi, Harvey. Dilasarna. Look, the money is great, but the people are all entitled to their false greatness. Rona de la Serna. Hi. Christine Home. What is that? Ahmed. So why are you still in America if it's false greatness? Leave then if you don't like it. Go back, Rizal. Please do write to me, huh? For the money, I just said that. For the money. For the money. So he's just user, also Cheryl. Oh, so the greatness is not false. I bet he didn't tell you, is he there just for the money? Yeah. Did you just agree with their pretentious viewpoints? Pretentious what? I felt in many there is it. Huh? Ahmed. Huh? Of course she agrees with us. Sometimes she don't even know you, yes. Macrozelle. I'm just want to know you, but do you have I'm trying to watch your if you are doing live or something like having a post video. The only person pretentious here is you. Ah, crazy, my crazy. I need to go to the town because I need to wear the gown because May 13th, this coming May 13th, I'm wearing like a wedding gown for Kwan, for Ryan Irina, something like that, for Ryan Irina. So I need to going there to my streaming network is for absolute comments that cannot be broken, guys. This is my level of communication. I lay down on your time. Okay, you sir, you're leaving. I am. That's why maybe you're not. Uh, my channel is not good for you. For you, cause sorry, something like that.
Bala ka dyan. Dito lang.
Dun, ding, 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 ding. Political is the word you're looking for. No, I'm not like I'm not political one. No, I'm not like that. We're not YouTube. It's not like that. Yeah, in other words, go. No religious, no political, no something like. Nine people in the house. Thank you so much, people. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you. Alright po. I'm not either, but the topic brought up is that way. And I cannot talk it because I respect your channel. So, yeah, I'll stop. Hit the road track and don't chat back. No more, no more, no more. I'm very funny, God. Whatever you do, I'll be right here. Bye, guys. It was nice chatting you. Thank you for joining my quizzle. Thank you so much. Have a good day to you. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day. God bless always. Gab, na mo. O, inbili mo naman doon ang hinuba mo, Gab. Gab, binili mo naman ang hinuba mo doon. What can you say if we wish we could say the same? Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm crazy. Pro-carbohydrate analysis. Gab. I need to surf. I know I can't see the same. Thank you so much, Sir Fred. Thank you for joining. Jazz Rocker. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you, Mark Rizzi. Thank you so much for joining. And it's good to joining here. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you guys. Thank you for joining. I need to end the live here. Bye bye, guys. Need to do something. See you soon. See you later. Later.